What's going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name's Landon. Welcome back to Blockchain. Today we are discussing the sudden resurgence in the market cap, gaining almost $15 billion overnight. Everybody's green today. It's a wonderful day across the cryptocurrency market. Don't forget to sign up for the Typerium official Telegram group, because that's where you can enter yourself into the Bounty Rewards program and get yourself some free tokens throughout their ICO period. As well, drop your email into the Typerium mailing list to check it all out for yourself. With a couple of coins, particularly Ontology, which we saw have a great run up last week, taking the price from $1.20, $1.30 all the way up to almost $3, $2.75, and then getting a slight correction and a ton of horizontal movement, and then having a very good, seemingly parabolic curve in the upward movement of Ontology. It's definitely a very nice project that's come onto the market recently and gone from literally zero to over $1 in just 3 weeks, having a very low market cap considering it's so new, but a relatively high 24-hour volume at 150 million 24-hour volume. It's competing with that of Verge right now for 24-hour volume, which is outstanding for such a new project. In other cryptocurrency news, Bitfinex has added a dozen new tokens to its exchange. Bitfinex is known as one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges that is widely available. It's an exciting new development for Bitfinex, and they are proud to introduce these tokens as they believe each serves to strengthen and enliven a unique aspect of the global blockchain ecosystem and will offer a new and exciting trading option for our users. The total market cap of all 12 tokens exceeds $1 billion and represents a major addition to the Bitfinex trading platform. Bitfinex is currently exploring a move from Hong Kong to Switzerland, so we will keep you posted on that. Continue to follow us on Twitter as I release cryptocurrency news all day long as it happens. And as we've been reporting on the cryptocurrency news, the SEC has been reviewing applications for Bitcoin ETFs, which just makes Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies more widely available for the mainstream. This is going to be a banner year for a lot of new investors to discover blockchain technology, and we are growing a community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors, so make sure to follow us on Twitter and comment below what you think of any of the topics that we cover, and let us know what coins are important to you. It hasn't been fully developed as to what's going to happen with Bitcoin ETFs, but increasingly the SEC and organizations from governments worldwide are continuing to look at and define cryptocurrency in a way that allows them to regulate, tax it, and treat it from a legal perspective. So keep it locked right here at Blockchain for all your cryptocurrency needs. More new money coming in. As we've been covering extensively, this year is going to be the year of the institutional investors, and there's going to be an absolute landslide of money that's going to bring us past 500 billion and up to the $1 trillion market cap. When it's going to happen is anyone's guess, but we are setting the stage right now for some historic moves in this overall market. Some are saying that the market's going to crash worse than that of the stock market because the stock market's poised to not do so well in the very near future, and that is when likely a lot of people are going to start looking towards alternative forms of transacting and storing value. And much like the 2008 Great Recession did, it turned a lot of heads towards cryptocurrency. We are on the forefront of an emerging and absolutely massive industry, as the Rockefellers just get involved with a $3 billion venture capital that begins to invest in cryptocurrency. Them, along with many other worldwide families, are going to look at blockchain technology and the sheer global impact that it represents, and we are going to see many projects that deserve an increase in funding get the funding and really spread their wings and see what blockchain technology can absolutely do in regards to everyday utilization across governments and smart contracts. Puerto Rico is very interesting right now because it's becoming almost a cryptocurrency pilot study for what blockchain technology can do in our government systems, and the future is very bright. Like any new and emerging industry, it is incredibly volatile right now, as many of these development teams are just ideas and working products are in the process of being developed. With that, we have to sway with the general needs of the consumer, and tax season is definitely a major impact for a number of commerce related industries. Aside from accountants that get busy at this time of year, people are needing to acquire funds to pay taxes, and because because of the great run up that cryptocurrency had in December, a lot of people made a ton of money in 2017 that they are now having to pay capital gains on in the United States. And there is a theory floating around that we've covered on this channel and that's been commented on, and there was a discussion in the comment section of that video. I'll link that above, where individuals are going to be liquidating some of their cryptocurrency in order to pay for these massive tax bills that they are no doubt getting. So some of that decline that the overall market is seeing, that we're not seeing today, but just as sharp as this uptick was and then this follow-up increase was, we've had just as sharp, if not sharper, decreases in the last 7 days. Literally in the last 3 days, we've seen a sudden $10 billion drop off in market cap. So these gains are great and everybody's loving it today. We are hoping it is the sign of a complete trend reversal. However, we may not be out of the woods yet until tax day is over and until some of these large investor groups start to develop their investment portfolios, and a ton of new money is constantly coming in, believe it or not. And with coins like Ontology doing well, although they are due for a correction, they got not really anywhere near a correction from the run up they had last week, so they're due for a big correction. But for now, ride the wave for sure. And just as I said last week, they're deserving of their own video, so look for that later today. So I would just be prepared as cryptocurrency investors for some potential sell-offs. As some coins do well, people are going to look to take profits, and anybody, which a lot of major cryptocurrency investors and these whales made a ton of money in the run up back in December. So there's going to be capital gains to be paid on all of that. So it's just something to be aware of. It's not FUD to promote. It's not anything to be severely concerned about, as clearly the markets are going to fluctuate both positively and negatively, regardless of the US tax season. This is a worldwide market. Although the US contributes a fair amount, it isn't anything, in my opinion, to be incredibly concerned about it. And all these media publications picking up this story and promoting it just encourages more fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And it's not anything the market needs. Keep it locked right here at Blockchain for all your cryptocurrency news. What coins matter to you? What content do you come onto this platform looking for? Engage with me in the comments below so I can fine-tune this content to provide the information that's important to you, my viewers. Thank you so much for watching Blockchain. My name's Landon. Until next time, everyone.